Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Chat. Today I'm dropping the fastest way to add a product key in your Microsoft Word. Just follow me in this easy step. Then click account icon. Then you found this switch license, click there and click I have a product key. Type or paste your 25 character. And that's all. Like, subscribe to 1 Minute iShot